Are you tired of seeing posts on Facebook that you'd rather not come across? What if I told you there's a hidden setting inside your Facebook app that can help filter out sensitive content and give you more control over what you see? Stick around till the end of this video, and I'll walk you through step by step. And before we dive in, please make sure to subscribe to Highly Practicals, so you never miss out on more powerful tech tips like this. Let's get started. Open your Facebook app and click on your profile picture at the top right corner. Scroll down to Settings and Privacy and tap on it. Tap on Settings once again. Then scroll down a bit to Content Preferences and tap on it. Tap on this Sensitive Content option. Now select Show Less option. Click on Save. And finally click on OK to finish the whole process. And that's it. By turning on this hidden Facebook setting, you can finally reduce the amount of sensitive content showing up on your feed. Please, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech tips and tricks. Right here on Highly Practicals. Thanks for watching. And see you in the next one.